Space exploration has always been a race towards the stars, and in South Asia, two major players are working hard for their place in the cosmos: SUPARCO, Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, and ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. Though they share a common goal of advancing space science, but their journeys have been vastly different. SUPARCO was founded in 1961, making it Pakistan's official space agency. ISRO, India's space agency, was established 8 years later in 1969. From the outset, both agencies had a clear mission to push the boundaries of space exploration for their respective nations. However, the path to success has been different for both agencies. When it comes to satellite fabrication, ISRO has far outpaced SUPARCO. To date, ISRO has built more than 100 satellites, while SUPARCO has produced 5. Both agencies operate satellites in orbit, but the scale of ISRO's operations is on another level. ISRO's achievements in satellite launches, such as the record-breaking mission that deployed 104 satellites in a single launch, highlight India's progress in this field. SUPARCO, on the other hand, has not yet reached this level of satellite deployment. One key area where ISRO shines is rocket technology. With operational orbital launch vehicles like the PSLV, GSLV, and the SSLV, ISRO has established itself as a leader in space launch capabilities. In contrast, SUPARCO has not yet developed an operational orbital launch vehicle. ISRO is also developing medium and heavy lift vehicles to support future space missions, while SUPARCO has yet to announce plans for such capabilities. ISRO's navigation system is another notable achievement, offering regional coverage with plans for global expansion. SUPARCO does not have a navigation system, which further highlights the gap between the two agencies. In terms of space exploration, ISRO has achieved significant milestones with missions to the Moon and Mars. SUPARCO, however, has not yet ventured into deep space exploration. ISRO is not stopping there. Future missions to the Moon, the Sun, and even Venus are in development, while SUPARCO's exploration ambitions remain in the early stages. ISRO is also on the brink of launching India's first human spaceflight mission and is actively developing reusable launch vehicles to make space travel more sustainable. SUPARCO, on the other hand, does not yet have a human spaceflight program or a reusable rocket initiative. So, why has SUPARCO fallen behind ISRO? Several factors have contributed to this, including limited government focus on space exploration, inadequate funding, and the economic challenges that Pakistan faces. Despite these challenges, there is hope on the horizon. In 2024, the launch of Pakistan's iQube-Q satellite sparked excitement in the nation's space program. The government has proposed allocating substantial funds to SUPARCO, including new projects like establishment of deep space astronomical observatories. The proposed budget for 2024 and 2025 includes significant investments in Pakistan's space infrastructure, including a new Pakistan Space Center, advancements in satellite systems, and the development of optical remote sensing satellites. While ISRO currently leads the race in South Asian space exploration, SUPARCO is taking steps to build its capabilities. With increased investment and strategic planning, Pakistan's space agency could emerge as a stronger player in the years to come. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting content about space exploration and beyond.